Hello, this is how to make a sweetie cone to put on your tree. You need a rectangle of paper or card and just fold it round into a sort of cone shape and then staple it or glue it and then cut off the top all the way round and there's your cone. You can stick on a handle, just glue that on, and then you need to decorate it. I've used pretty tape, I've stuck on some baubles, and I've used some stickers. And then you can hang it on your tree, fill it full of sweets. You might like to make a nice wreath to hang on your door. All you need is a circle of card. You could use a paper plate. I've just cut the middle out of that one. And then out of old wrapping paper, cut out lots and lots of nice shapes. I've done some holly leaves. I've actually got double-sided tape on there ready, but you can use glue. Pretty shapes. Anything that you've got from old wrapping paper, and make sure it's all covered. And right at the end, you can cut out a bow to put on the bottom. You might like to use old wrapping paper to make some cards. That's just a piece of card folded over, and I've cut out pictures or Christmas tree shapes using the wrapping paper. This one's got some pretty tape round it. That one I've used some crepe paper. And that one there, I've used some ribbon to make it look like a parcel. This time of the year, you might find that there's lots of leaflets coming through your door or that you can pick up in the shops with pictures of food on. And it would be a good idea to make a plate of food for the reindeer and a plate of food for Father Christmas. So I've just cut out lots of vegetables and stuck them on a nice card plate for Rudolph. You are Rudolph. And Santa has got, what's he got? Mince pies and orange, chocolates, all sorts.